Borate wood treatment is a reliable way to protect exposed framing, firewood, and wooden trim from termites and decay. When using borate products, start by selecting the right formulation for the situation, such as a ready-to-use spray like Bora-Care for exposed framing, a disodium octaborate tetrahydrate dust for loose material like firewood stacks, or a brush-on solution for trim and cut ends. Always read and follow the label directions for dilution, penetration time, and retreatment intervals because these determine how deeply the borate moves into the wood and how long protection lasts. For sprays, apply evenly to cover the surface and re-wet until the wood will not absorb more, which helps borate penetrate into the cell structure. For brush-on products, work the solution into end grains and cut surfaces where penetration is rapid and decay starts first. When treating firewood, avoid treating wood intended for immediate indoor burning and keep treated piles isolated from soil contact. For long-term storage, treat outer layers and rotate stock so more recently treated wood is used last. Use personal protective equipment such as gloves, eye protection, and a respirator rated for dust when handling powders because inhalation and eye contact are the most common exposure routes. Keep records of product, dilution, application dates, and locations on the structure so future inspections and retreatments follow the same documented standard. Homeowners often underprepare the surface by not removing paint, sealers, or heavy dirt which blocks borate uptake, so solve that by sanding or mechanically abrading small areas and cleaning with a stiff brush before applying. Another common mistake is using an incorrect concentration or not following label dilution, which reduces effectiveness. Always measure and mix using the label-specified ratio and a calibrated container. A third issue is assuming one treatment is permanent. Borates can leach from wood in ground contact or with persistent moisture. So, protect treated wood from direct soil contact and plan periodic inspections and retreatment according to the product label. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners research treatments and find local contractors who do this work, and we also help contractors find projects and clients. We host a discussion community where users and professionals share experiences, application tips, and product comparisons.